Hi, this is Vibhuti Arora, your face yoga teacher. You're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and spread the love. Today I want to talk about winter skincare and correct product layering with you. Many times we feel that the same summer products leave our skin dry and itchy in winters. That's because in winters your skin needs a little extra hydration and a little extra care. During summer months, for example, you could use a gel-based cleanser, but in winter months, you must switch to a creamier cleanser. The same principle applies to the toner. During summer months, I use a water-based light textured toner, but in winter months, I actually switch to a creamier textured toner, something like this. I take a few drops of this toner into my finger pads and start to stimulate my muscle by a tapping motion. Follow me. Don't forget your neck. Once you've applied your toner, you must use a serum. A nice hyaluronic or hydrating serum would be great. You take a few drops of your serum, take it in your fingers or your heel of your palms, almost as though you are shouting or calling out to somebody. You hold your hands like this, transfer the serum, hold your skin up and drain. Transfer the serum onto your forehead into opposite semicircles or opposite C's, and then transfer the balance onto your neck. Once you've laid your skin with the serum, I usually like to use a face oil onto my face instead of a cream during winter months, because I just feel the natural ingredients of a good face oil leave my skin hydrated and glowing longer. So I'm going to take my face oil and show you the correct techniques of applying or the principles of face yoga. Perfect. We don't want cold hands onto our face, so we warm up the oil, we warm up our hands, activate the ingredients, and now give ourselves a face lifting massage like this. We make X's on our neck. We take your index finger and do a whole circle. Once you've done this, do not forget your eyes. Take two fingers, take the balance oil from your palms and do a circular massage like this. Once you've massaged your face, you could apply a sunscreen in case you're going out, or if you're at home, you could just enjoy the oily texture onto your skin. In case you feel very dry occasionally, you could take a ghee cream recipe. Basically, it's 1 spoon of ghee, half a spoon of water. Whip it onto 500 rotations and you will get a very nice ghee souffle, which you could use as a natural face mask once a week. For those with oily skin, could wash it after 30 minutes too. I hope you enjoyed my winter skincare for you as much as I did. Happy pampering!